Hi children, welcome back to your science class. In the last class we started block 10 organ systems of our body. So we studied some of the organ systems. So today we are going to discuss about two organ systems. Which are the two organ systems? Digestive system and respiratory system. Okay, so first we can discuss about digestive system. How does digestive system help our body? Yes, digestive system help us to digest the food we eat. It help us to digest the food. Digestive system help us to digest the food we eat. Digest the food. Food we eat. Okay. So what is the function of digestive system? Digestive system help us to digest the food we eat. As we all know, we need food to eat. We need food to live. Isn't it? Without food, any living thing can live. That we already studied. So, the food, whatever we are eating, that is digesting from our stomach. Isn't it? So, which are the organs help us to digest the food? That is we have to study in digestive system. Okay, so you have to study only what is the function of digestive system. Digestive system help us to digest the food we eat, and what are the organs that work together to do the digestive system. What are the organs help us to digest the food. Okay, so we know we eat food through our mouth. Okay, so which are the organs? So first it is mouth. Digestive system starting from mouth, because we eat food through the mouth. Okay, the food we eat go through the food pipe. The food we eat that go through the food pipe. Okay, the food we eat that go through the food pipe, and it reaches to the stomach. The food we eat that reaches to the stomach. After reaching it into the stomach, the food is digesting. Food is digesting means food we eat are break into small pieces. That is happening from the stomach. Okay, then after that, some more organs also helping for digesting the food. They are this one. It is two intestines are there. Large intestine and small intestine. Large intestine and then this one it is small intestine. What is the function of large intestine? Yes, water is absorbed and waste is stored in the large intestine. Okay, so there are two intestine, large intestine and small intestine. So in the large intestine, water is absorbed and waste is stored. Okay, that you no need to study, just I told for understanding. So in the large intestine, the water is absorbed and waste is stored in the large intestine. And then what is the function of small intestine? A small intestine absorb the nutrients from the food. So whatever the nutrients are needed for our body, that is absorbed by the small intestine. Okay, then what the waste, what happened to the waste? Yes, the waste we send out. Okay, so one more body parts help us to digestive system, that is rectum. Okay, so we send the waste through the rectum. So these are the different organs of digestive system. So digestive system start from mouth. Then the food we eat food through the mouth. That food passes through the food pipe. It reaches to the stomach. From the stomach, the food break into small pieces. That means food digesting from the stomach. Then large intestine and small intestines also there to help in the digestive system, and rectum. We send out the waste through the rectum. So the large intestine, what is the function of large intestine? Large intestine, the water is absorbed and waste is stored in the large intestine, and small intestine absorb the nutrients from the food, and whatever the nutrients are needed for our body, that is taken by our body, and the waste we send out through the rectum. Okay, so these are the organs of digestive system. Okay, so it is clear, children? Digestive system. Which are the organs of digestive system? Mouth, food pipe, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, and rectum. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, rectum. Okay, next we can discuss respiratory system. Respiratory system help us to breathe. Okay, so what is the function of respiratory system? Respiratory system help us to breathe. So we know what we breathe, children. Yes, we breathe oxygen. We breathe oxygen. And what we breathe out? Yes, we breathe out carbon dioxide. So what is the function of respiratory system? Respiratory system help us to breathe oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay, so that is the function of respiratory system. So many organs are there that help for respiratory system. Yes, which are the organs that help in respiratory system? Yes, let us discuss now what are the organs help to respiratory system. Okay, so we know we breathe through our nose. Okay, so respiratory system starting from our nose. Okay, so first organ is nose. Then second organ it is larynx. Larynx is the next organ. Larynx. Okay, second organ of respiratory system it is larynx. Okay, then third organ it is windpipe. Windpipe is the next organ of respiratory system. Okay, and next one it is lungs. Okay, lungs. These are the organs of respiratory system. Okay, we breathe through our nose and it go through this larynx and windpipe and it reaches to the lungs. Okay, so these are the organs of respiratory system. Okay, so how does the respiratory system help us? Respiratory system help us to breathe. Respiratory system help us to breathe. So our respiratory system start from we breathe through our nose. So it start from nose and it go through the air we breathe. We breathe oxygen and we remove or breathe out carbon dioxide. So the oxygen we breathe that go through the larynx and windpipe and reaches to the lungs. Okay, so these are the organ. Nose, larynx, windpipe, lungs. These are the organs of respiratory system. Okay, so respiratory system help us to breathe, and the organs of respiratory system are nose, larynx, windpipe, and lungs. We breathe oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay, this much only you have to study today. So now we can discuss workbook. Page number 11. Page number 11. Digestive and respiratory systems. Okay, so we can see two pictures here. Picture A, it is digestive system, and picture B, it is respiratory system. Okay, so first question is color the parts of the digestive system in yellow and color the parts of respiratory system in orange. Okay, so what we can do, children? First we have to identify which are the part of digestive system. Okay, so we know nose is the part of respiratory system, so we can color orange. Then second one it is mouth is a part of digestive system, so we can color yellow. Okay, then third one it is windpipe is the organ of respiratory system, so we can color orange. Then next one it is stomach which or part of digestive system, so we can color yellow. Then larynx is the part of respiratory system, so we can color orange. Rectum is the part of digestive system, so we can color yellow. Okay, so first one nose orange, mouth yellow, windpipe orange, stomach yellow, larynx orange, and rectum yellow. Okay, so these are the colors we have to use for understand the color the part of digestive and respiratory systems. Okay, second question is how does the respiratory system help us? Respiratory system help us to breathe. So second answer, how does respiratory system help us? Yes, respiratory system system help us to breathe. Help us to breathe. Then third question. Why are respiratory and digestive systems equally important for our body? Why it is equally important, children? Yes, we know respiratory system help us to breathe and digestive system help us to digest the food we eat. So both are equally important. So you can write respiratory system and digestive system are equally important. Because respiratory system help us to breathe. Respiratory system help us to breathe. And digestive system help us to digest the food we eat. Okay, so this way you can write the answer. Now let us discuss practice question. We have to complete only 2 practice questions. Practice question number 4 and 5. Okay, practice question number 4, it is draw digestive system and label its part. So you can look at the textbook and draw the picture of digestive system and label it. Okay, then second question it is fifth question it is, what is the role of respiratory system? We already studied respiratory system help us to breathe, right? So how can we write? Respiratory system help us to take oxygen in and removes carbon dioxide out. Okay, or you can write take oxygen and the respiratory system help us to take oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is the way you can write the answer. So this much enough for today's class. Hope you all understood today's class. So we can meet in the next class. Okay, bye.